Welcome to Variety is the Spice of Life. Today, we explore a question that has fascinated humanity for centuries: is astrology a real science, or merely a belief system? Let's unfold this ancient art and see what lies behind the stars. Astrology is one of the world's oldest knowledge systems, tracing back thousands of years. Our ancestors observed how celestial movements influenced seasons, harvests, and even human temperament. To them, the sky was not just space, it was a cosmic blueprint guiding life. When a person is born, the position of these celestial bodies is captured in a birth chart, or Janma Kundli. There are two styles in which birth charts are prepared. A. North Indian style and B. South Indian style. In the North Indian style, houses remain fixed while signs rotate. In the South Indian style, signs stay fixed and planets move through houses. Despite the visual difference, both systems reveal the same cosmic map, your personal horoscope. In simple terms, astrology is a fascinating play of just a few cosmic elements. 12 houses, 12 zodiac signs, 9 planets, and 27 stars. Your birth chart, often called the GPS of your life, displays how these elements interact. If we calculate all possible combinations of these three factors: 12 zodiac signs, 9 planets, and 12 houses, the number becomes truly mind-boggling. It's 12 factorial multiplied by 9 factorial multiplied by 12, which results in millions of unique patterns. This is besides the impact of the degrees of these planets, the impact of stars, and each representing a different human character. That's why no two individuals, not even twins, are exactly alike. So yes, astrology is not mere belief, there's a definite touch of mathematical science behind it. Understanding the basics, rashis and planets. To truly understand your birth chart, you must first know two key elements: the 12 rashis or zodiac signs, and the 9 planets. Each rashi has a number from 1 to 12. For example, Mesh is 1, Vrishab is 2, Mithun is 3, and so on till Meen, which is 12. Similarly, the 9 planets are Surya, Chandra, Mangal, Bud, Guru, Shukra, Shani, Rahu, and Ketu. In a birth chart, you'll find these planets placed across the 12 houses, and the numbers you see inside the boxes indicate the rashi. So if you see number 4 in any house, it means that house belongs to Katak, Cancer. Finding your rashi and nakshatra. Now, let's learn how to find your rashi and nakshatra from your birth chart. Step 1. Look for the house where the moon, Chandra, is placed. Step 2. Check the number written in that house. For example, if the moon is in a house marked with number 10, then your rashi is Makar, Capricorn. To find your nakshatra, look at the moon's exact degree position in that sign. Each zodiac sign spans 30 degrees and contains 3 nakshatras, each covering 13 degrees 20 minutes. Compare your moon's degree with a nakshatra table to find which one it falls in. For instance, if your moon is in Leo at 10 degrees 24 minutes, it lies in the first nakshatra of Leo, Magha nakshatra. That's how your moon's position at birth defines both your rashi and nakshatra. The twin keys to understanding your personality and destiny. Nakshatras. There are 27 nakshatras, divided into 3 groups of 9 each. Let's name them one by one. Group 1, Ashwini, Bharani, Kritika, Rohini, Mrigashira, Ardra, Punarvasu, Pushya, and Ashlesha. Group 2, Magha, Purva Falguni, Uttara Falguni, Asta, Chitra, Swati, Vishakha, Anuradha, and Jyeshtha. Group 3, Mula, Purva Ashada, Uttara Ashada, Shravan, Dhanishta, Shatabisha, Purva Bhadrapada, Uttara Bhadrapada, and Revti. These 27 nakshatras form the celestial map that defines every birth chart in astrology. There is currently a debate on whether astrology is a science or a belief system. Science seeks proof. Astrology seeks patterns. Science demands measurable evidence, repeatable under identical conditions. Astrology, meanwhile, works through observation and symbolism, connecting human experience with cosmic motion. While science explores how things happen, astrology often asks why. Both, in their own ways, search for order in chaos. Perhaps astrology is less about predicting the future and more about understanding ourselves. When viewed with awareness, not blind faith, it can serve as a mirror, reflecting our inner strengths, challenges, and paths of growth. Thank you for joining me on this celestial journey through the world of astrology. If this exploration sparked your curiosity, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. For detailed insights and in-depth articles, visit our blog, explogalore.com. You'll find the link in the description below. In our next episode, we'll dive deeper into the astrological interpretations of everyday challenges and explore practical remedies that can help bring balance and clarity to our lives. Until then, keep looking up, because the stars always have a story to tell.